What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing of a product I purchased a couple weeks ago. It finally came in, and that is the Oben TT-100. This is a tabletop tripod. It's something I've actually needed for some time now, but I've got by. And when I say got by, I'll kind of give you an idea of what I've been using. This is what my current setup has been when it comes to tripods. Basically, I've been stacking anything I can up just to keep my camera up and centered and using that as a tripod. So this is something I actually really needed. I ordered it a while back, but with everything going on with COVID-19, it took a little while to get here. I got mine at B&H, but you can also get it at Amazon. I will leave links below if you want to purchase this. It's $35, $34.97, I believe. And it is a basic tabletop tripod. And I chose this over many of the other ones, the Manfrotto or the Gorilla ones, was that it has a low capacity of 6 pounds. My camera lens, microphone, I believe are around 3 to 4 pounds. So I wanted to make sure it was sturdy enough to hold it. You can get these for $10, $15, but a lot of times they only hold 2 to 3 pounds. So I went and splurged and spent $35, and the reason I went with Oben is it's actually a company that I really like. I've had their tripods in the past. I currently have one of their traveling tripods. And the thing I like about their stuff is that it doesn't break the bank. It's good quality, good warranties. I believe this has a 5-year warranty. The bigger tripods they have generally come with 5 or 10-year warranties, so it's something they're gonna stand behind. So that's it. Again, it holds 6 pounds. That's what I was mainly looking for, and I like Oben. I looked at the Manfrotto one too. That was another option, but I already had the Oben tripod, so I kind of wanted to keep it within set. So let's see what's actually in the box and what this thing looks like. So now that we're actually in the box, let's show you what's in this thing. So I'm pretty excited about this. I've actually needed a table tripod for a while now. So this is something that I'm actually going to probably use more than the big tripod just because it's so much more convenient to throw it around. So this is your standard Oben warranty, blah, blah, blah. Contact them if you have any defects, any issues. The big thing I like about this is how people said how small it was, and that thing is tiny. No idea if this is actually going to hold my camera, but let's hope it does. That's it. Basically, you just get the tripod in there. You're on steady ground. Yep, goes through all the product info. Again, it holds 6 pounds. That's one reason why I wanted it, because it's supposed to be stable for 6 pounds. And okay, so not really sure how I actually connect the camera onto it, but that's it, guys. Pretty nice. This it is just fold up. There's not a whole lot of height adjustment here. This is basically what you're going to get. Oh, that's nice. So you can unscrew that if you just want to use it like that. Screw this back on there. So it does adjust a little bit here. Maybe. Okay, so this basically makes it so where it doesn't swivel. So if you want to do that, just do that. I think. There we go. Okay, so this actually adjusts if it swivels and the actual head. So that's kind of weird. Basically just put it on there and get it all set up. These legs are actually fairly difficult to bend, which is nice, so you could put it at different angles. If you wanted to put it more upright, you could do that. If you wanted it to be more a lower stance, you could do that. Feels very well built. Again, this is all probably aluminum, but it feels very sturdy, very heavy. I'm going to try to get the camera on here and see what it's like, but overall pretty happy with it for $35. It seems well built. It does have these little feet here on the bottom. They don't feel very grippy or very rubberized, but that's it. So basically you don't get much. You get a box, get that, get that. Again, I would highly recommend this or the Manfrotto one that holds I think 4 or 5 pounds would be a good option also, but pretty happy with this. I'm going to do a full review of it as I go, but this is just what you get in the box and general first impressions. Pretty happy that you can take this off and just mount it on there. So if you wanted to do, I assume that's what that's for. So that's it, guys. That is the quick unboxing of the Oben TT-100. Links below if you want to pick this up or purchase it, which I would highly recommend. Just off the unboxing, it feels like pretty good quality for $35. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, leave a like. It will help me out a great deal. And hopefully you guys have a good rest of the week and weekend. We're moving into the weekend, guys. It's Thursday, so have a good rest of the day. See you guys next time.